Welcome to NutriLiv, the clinical-grade anti-cancer nutrition tool. Today we will focus on arguably the most powerful capability within NutriLiv, the advanced search function. NutriLiv is a clinical-grade tool, so keep in mind you will often see technical language when referring to anti-cancer functions. However, you can always access the appendix in the app to understand what these technical words mean. Please don't be intimidated. You will confidently grasp many of these terms by the end of this video. Here's a pro training tip. It could be useful to watch this video on a TV or laptop while simultaneously having the app open on your smartphone so you can mimic what we were doing on the screen. Okay, to access the search screen, you can press anywhere on the search bar located on the lower menu. You could search for a specific item by entering the name of it here. But if you want to search for items by specific anti-cancer functions, you want to press this round advanced search button. NutriLiv has the largest catalog of evidence-based anti-cancer items. The advanced search enables you to filter the catalog by the features that have been observed in peer-reviewed studies. Let's walk through what each one of these can do for you. First is keto-friendly. By checking this box, NutriLiv will show you items that are known to be keto-friendly. These items will have very little to no carbohydrates. For those looking for an easy way to find items that are known to help prevent cancer, you can check this box. Everyone concerned about using nutrition to help treat their cancer or prevent it from returning should absolutely take a look at the video that explains the role of cancer stem cells in cancer initiation, metastasis, and recurrence. It was recorded by Olena Ivanova, the medical director of personalized medicine. We link to this video on the same webpage you are accessing this training video. Checking the anti-cancer stem cell box will help you find items with evidence of targeting and killing cancer stem cells. The NutriLiv catalog organizes all items by 12 different types. Most of these are foods, which include animal products, cereals and pseudo-cereals, fruit, fungi, herbs and spices, oils and fats, seeds and nuts, teas, and vegetables. But other item types include aromatherapy, nutrition supplements, and tinctures, which are liquid extracts. Use these to filter for specific item types you would like to consume. Now, the most exciting section is anti-cancer functions. When anything is tested in a lab to determine how it can kill or disrupt a cancer cell, researchers will observe the substance's anti-cancer mechanisms of action. Mechanism of action simply means how it works. Many of the items in NutriLiv possess a large variety of these mechanisms of action. This list of 12 anti-cancer functions enable you to search for specific items that are known to have these cancer-fighting features. We have videos in the Learn section of the NutriLiv website that describe these anti-cancer functions, and the appendix in the app also provides a definition of each one. So today, we will only briefly touch on a few of these. Apoptosis is the natural process of programmed cell death, but cancer cells exist because they have learned to evade this process. Therefore, items that help trigger apoptosis can be helpful in treating and preventing cancer. Disrupt TME is short for disrupting the tumor microenvironment. This complex environment is where tumors grow, spread, and use tricks to resist treatments. Using items that disrupt TME can help prevent tumors from utilizing resources to grow and spread. Everyone has immune system components like natural killer cells, T cells, and B cells that are responsible for identifying and mitigating cancer cells. Using items that can enhance immune response can improve your body's ability to fight cancer. Understanding how food and natural items work can help motivate you to maintain discipline when using nutrition to fight cancer. We encourage you to check out the appendix to learn what each anti-cancer function can do to help you. All of the items in the NutriLiv catalog not only have anti-cancer functions, but they also possess capabilities that can improve various aspects of your health. Health optimizing functions list these features and enables you to search by them. Cancer researchers and clinicians recognize that cancer cells generally have an over-reliance on certain resources that fuel their growth. However, most oncologists are not yet focused on incorporating interventions that target these metabolic vulnerabilities. But leading researchers like Dr. Thomas Seyfried are encouraging the medical community to shift towards this approach. The Metabolic Pathways block section enables users to find items with evidence of preventing cancer cells from using the listed resources. If you would like to learn more about the research pertaining to targeting metabolic pathways, access the video link Starve Cancer Metabolic Cancer Therapy on the webpage you are viewing this video. Most of items in NutriLiv have been researched to determine how they can help improve effectiveness or reduce the toxic side effects of standard treatments. These sections can help you look for items that have evidence of improving chemotherapy, radiation, immunotherapy, or hormone therapy while potentially reducing adverse effects. Treating cancer is expensive, so we wanted to provide a way for people to search for items by cost categories. $1 sign is generally the least expensive items, while $4 signs are the most expensive. Please understand the actual cost for items is largely relative to your location and individual circumstances. The final filter, cancer cell types, permit you to search for items that have been specifically researched to target a cancer type. It's important to realize that most of the research dollars are frequently focused on the most common cancers. For example, breast, prostate, lung, and colon. Okay, now that we have reviewed all of the advanced search filters, let's complete a search together. We will search for items that are anti-cancer stem cell, are an item type Ts, have the anti-cancer functions of apoptosis and enhance immune response, and also have evidence of improving chemotherapy while reducing side effects. Now, when we select Apply Search, NutriLiv will display a list of items that are known to have all of these features. Now, to finish this training, let's review the information that is shown on the search results page. This screen shows the name of each item, the item type, the cost category, and the total calculated NutriPoint value. We created the value called NutriPoint to help you quickly understand how many anti-cancer and health-optimizing features an item has been observed to possess compared to others. By default, the list is sorted based on items that have the highest NutriPoint value to lowest, but you can select this button to change the list to sort by cost category. If you would like to learn more about an item and record consuming it, simply press on the item to navigate to the item details page. To get the most out of the item details page, we recommend you watch the respective training video linked below. We welcome you to contact us if you have recommendations on how we can do better or to provide feedback on what you value most in NutriLiv. Thank you for watching this training video on NutriLiv. We hope you live long and live well.